In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autosave in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to avoid losing progress while editing, turning on autosave is one of the first settings you should enable. This is especially helpful if the program freezes unexpectedly, your computer restarts, or you simply forget to save manually while you're focused on your project. DaVinci Resolve includes a feature called Live Save, and once it's enabled, your changes are saved automatically as you work. To begin, look at the top left corner of the screen. From there, click on DaVinci Resolve to open the main application menu. Once that menu appears, select Preferences. This will open the settings window where you can control general behavior for the software. Inside the Preferences window, go to the User tab. This section contains personal workflow settings that affect how DaVinci Resolve behaves for your editing environment. After you're in the User tab, find and click Project Save and Load. This is the area that includes save-related options, including the autosave feature you're looking for. Now in this section, make sure Live Save is checked. Once that option is enabled, DaVinci Resolve will automatically save your work as changes are made, which can give you extra peace of mind while editing. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference, especially on larger projects where losing even a few minutes of work would be frustrating. After confirming that Live Save is turned on, you're done. That's all it takes to enable autosaving in DaVinci Resolve. As a quick tip, even with Live Save enabled, it's still a good habit to stay aware of your project status and keep your workflow organized. Automatic saving is a great safety net, but it's always smart to understand where your save settings are located so you can check them anytime if needed. So, to recap in a simple way, open DaVinci Resolve from the top left menu, go into Preferences, switch to the User tab, open Project Save and Load, and turn on Live Save. Once it's checked, your project will save automatically while you work. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to autosave in DaVinci Resolve.